About 11 takeoffs and landings per minute in a 10-hour period. And they aren't allowed to make any mistake. Do any flying yourself or don't have an airplane, Chuck Leemaster will take you around the patch in his Ford Tri-Motor.
Yankee, I do not have you in sight. I still don't see. And what color are you, sir, Yankee?
White.
You're the Cherokee I've been talking to.
Negative, I'm not a Cherokee, I'm a Yankee, a barking Yankee.
Okay, I'll make you a bargain. You're cleared to land. Tri-Pacer, are you up northeast now?
That's affirmative.
Archer right base, Tri-Pacer cleared to land.
I'm still 8 miles up.
Oh, very well. Report to gravel pit.
North Central 294 to get on the East 18.
North Central, you have to use the whole thing. You go from the intersection.
Take off, man.
You're outstanding. North Central cleared for takeoff. And get ready for go around. I don't know what that biplane's going to do. Aztec, he's going to land, come to the right side of the... come right on over to the tower. It's not going to work. Right on over the tower. Okay, Aztec, tell you what we're going to do with you. You make the right turn, go westbound, and there's a Ford Tri-Motor off the right out there. Do you see him?
We've got him.
Yeah, Aztec, you go out there and get in line behind the Ford Tri-Motor, and we'll buy you a coffee after you land.
No trouble.
Okay, Ford Tri-Motor, you're number 1. Bring it in, cleared to land.
One of the interesting things about Oshkosh is the abundance of new designs, inventions, and prototypes on display. Some guy is always building a better plane, or a faster plane, or developing new materials for use in airplane design. This is a Ford V8 car engine converted for use in this Shuby P-51 replica. The 51 is made out of fiberglass and chromoly steel tubing. These are the workshop tents, where you can spend the entire week learning all the things you need to know to build your own plane. Dope and fabric, sheet metal, welding, and woodworking. And you learn from the experts.
You don't even need air influx to start. You'll see the surface of it kind of change in appearance. Now watch. And I have 6 jack screws made out of bolts so I can raise it just like level the pool.
Yeah, but you don't know where to put the holes, see? Normally, you punch through something like this, you know, with your other punch, and then you can dimple.
We're going to eyeball that from the front. I think it's somebody with a real good eyeball. Okay, so you're going to have to zinc comb me this one real quick today.
Every day at 4:30, the warbirds fire up, take off, and fly by. air show in the world.
That's why she wears the pantsuit. She never knows where her skirt's up or down or not, so he keeps her back. Beautiful round-ass move and into the inverted position. The greatest smoke system in the country, the greatest husband and wife flying team in the world today, ladies and gentlemen. And the only one currently flying in the North American continent, the fabulous Flying Pearsons. They have a little daughter named Shawn. It's named after the Air Magdalene Shawn Bell, and she's making her first DAA convention here this year, watching her mother and dad as they go through the world famous Lady Wing Rider act. That big snarling wasp engine, that 450 Pratt & Whitney, really bellowing through the afternoon sky here as that fantastic smoke system comes out. Walt takes the big experiment. Puts it in the inverted position. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras on this. One of the most famous air show shots in the world today. Sandy upside down. Waving her on. Right side up on the name tag. Real far to the sky as old Smokey is really living up to his name today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Canadian Snowbirds. I'm Captain Jack Gerard. I hope you will enjoy today's performance as much as we will enjoy performing for you. The Tudor aircraft flown by the Snowbirds was designed and manufactured by Canadair of Montreal. It is fully instrumented and pressurized and is capable of flying at 41,000 feet at speeds up to 450 miles per hour. During today's performance, speeds will range from 100 to 450 miles per hour. Downward bombers. There's a downward split and the upward split. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5-plane line abreast roll. By a single engine producing 2,700 pounds of thrust. The 9-plane diamond has switched to a formation that we call the palm tree split.
Okay, watch this. Frank is going to bring that Sea Fury across a field at 450 miles an hour and take it straight up to 6,000 feet in about 7 seconds.
There he is, working the airplane back up to max speed. Up the center. Watch the Chinese element here. Sanders goes straight up. And there's the roll all the way around. There's the full yo-yo roll. Eggs onto it. Comes over the top. There he is, upside down. Now watch him as he comes down. He'll do a full roll the way down. Nose pointed right at the runway. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, the full roll, and that's the Chinese Nolman as performed by Frank Sanders in Anaheim, California, and his world-famous Sea Fury. Hex up the turn. Only about 5 G's in that Sea Fury. Watch the vortices off the wingtip here. There's a living example of flying tornadoes. Yes, when I say a tornado, that's the vortices that you read about pilots getting behind a jet aircraft and then being flipped into the ground. Notice the engine is throttled back, and even with the throttle back power, watch that smoke how it's swirling and how it flips into the ground. Watch it swirl over your head back here. Look at the generation of vortices coming off that airplane. This is what race pilots have to be aware of in racing around pylons. In close proximity to the ground and the pylon, it's not the prop wash coming off the propeller out in front, but the disturbance off the wingtips. Look how the smoke ties itself together here. It breaks off and ties itself together. That's how much that air is disturbed up there. And this should be a cautionary warning. If you have to fly in close proximity to the jet, be sure you're much above it and not below it, because the vortices go down behind the wingtip and downwards.
Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our aerobatic presentations here. As you leave the field, please pick up all your trays.
The end of the air show. And all too soon, the end of the Oshkosh flying. It's been a great week. And it's been a great summer. The old PT-19. You know, I've gotten a lot of flying out of that airplane. I really have. I really had a lot of fun with it, too. But there was this local guy who really fell in love with it. I mean, he really flipped over it. I took him for 3 rides, and well, he made me a great offer. And besides, there was this beautiful AT-6 for sale. So it seems that if a person's hobby could come close to his religion, then for me flying would come closer than anything else. Because in space, I get an image of infinity, and that's truly a religious experience.